Hello YouTube. So today in this video we're going to talk about what are the best ways you can use ChatGPT in your developer journey. I found four most valuable things that I use on a daily basis or as and when I required. Use ChatGPT for this main problem while developing things. So first problem, what I face, it's not a problem, but you just need to boost your work, right? So I just I'm a Python developer and I usually do coding in Python. So I actually want ChatGPT to generate boilerplate code, and that's why this command just gives you the best output that you can think of. That way it's really easy. You just copy paste and you just replace these values and you have your backend ready. Now on to the next one. Another thing I use ChatGPT is to understand the code. Like in software engineer journey, you are very likely to encounter others code, and what that does is you need to go through their code all the time. And and if you are a junior developer, it doesn't really make sense to you at looking at it, like when you're looking at first time. Once you are enough experience, you can definitely decode it much faster. But again, so let's see, we have this prompt, what does the following code do, and then we are just copy pasting what we had. And let's see how it explains things. So definitely it's a scraping tool, but let's see how it gives us the response. Oh, so as you can see, it already has the CSS selector that I know of. I put this part out. I'm using Selenium, of course, to scrape the site, and I think it explains really good. And even it says like total job divided by 2 plus 1. That's what I was thinking when I was coding it. So that's actually perfect. And again, um, what if I want to add some more comments on it? So this is the number 3 that I am using it, like adding comments to your code. When I was junior developer, that's the most difficult part for me because I don't want to comment things down. Because basically you learn that thing hard way. So what we can do here is just ask the ChatGPT, and then we are just pasting our code here. And let's go. Let's see the output. So here is a better looking comments. So this is something that we can always do. Like it's always useful for any company. And I think this should be an automated task. Like it's a headache for many developers, including myself. But again, this thing helps for the developers to look at your code. And the next thing is we want to rewrite our code in some different styling. So usually it's PEP 8 standard. This isn't because it's just a personal project that I had. So let's do that. And again, copy pasting my code here. Let's see. So let's see the output. Um, it should take a time, but let's see. Whoa, this is interesting. This is just like the like it helps the blogger. Like if you are a blogger and a coder and you have this site that you are maintaining, then you can just copy paste it and there's less work for you. So hope you get the idea. I don't want to waste my tokens here, but these are the four best ways. So let me summarize for you. The first thing is generating a boilerplate code for any project. It's just not Python. It you can do it for any other languages. Now, second is to understand a code for because right now there's market where everyone is collaborating with each other, and that's our future. So you will need to understand that. Third is adding comments to your code. Perfect, beautiful. And the fourth is rewriting our code and using a different style like Pap8. So hope you like this video. I'm coming up with all this series. So please subscribe, please like this video and see you in the next one.